Hello, this is Peter from Designtuitive. If you've been enjoying these lessons so far, then you're exactly the kind of student that should think about signing up for my masterclasses. So there'll be one every month. It builds on some existing videos that you'll already have seen and will have access to. You get the chance to come and ask questions, and we get to basically take things as far as we can. I had this idea the other week. I was teaching some students and they just kept asking me more and more challenging questions, and I thought, yeah, that's exactly the kind of thing I want to do. So I'm going to be doing these once every month, and there'll be details at the end of the course how you can sign up for that. Okay, so I'm hoping, as I've been going on about that, you've been looking at this and you can see, hopefully, how that was done, which is great if you can do that. Again, if you want some time, pause now. Right, here we go. So as you can probably see, that famous logo or something like that is created using simply some rectangles. So we choose the rectangle tool, create it a bit bigger than you might imagine. Again, black fill, no stroke, and then rotate it round. Actually, I'm going to rotate a different way. I'm going to turn the bounding box on and just drag round a little bit like that. And then with my selection tool, Alt drag to make a copy. Got to do this in one move for reasons that will be obvious in a second. So move it down and across a little bit and then let go. And then a lovely command is Object Transform, Transform Again, or Command D on the Mac, Control D on the PC. That repeats exactly the last transformation. So the distance is the same, the angle is the same. So as you can no doubt guess, all we've got to do now is chop the bottom off, which we're going to do with another rectangle. So the rectangle doesn't even have to completely go over the top of it, but it does need to kind of separate them like that. So I'll just move that up a little bit, I think. Select all four shapes, use Shape Builder, and as before, hold down the Alt key. Previously I clicked and clicked and clicked. This time I'm going to just do this. Click, drag all the way through like that, and then drag all the way through again. And there we go. So another great approach used by logo designers to create classic logos. Again, don't rip them off, but be inspired by their use of these basic shapes.